The statement that a steering wheel is secure in the hands wearing bangles has become a cliche. As we already know, many stories of women maneuvering bikes, auto rickshaws, trains, and airplanes with Ellen. This story also talks about a young woman from Kerala who drives tanker lorries, but it's solemn and a bit special. Here is Delicia, a girl aged 22 from Thrissur district in Kerala. Many women in Kerala have heavy vehicle driving licenses to drive trucks and buses in Kerala, besides those driving cars, two-wheelers and auto rickshaws. But Delicia is the only woman who holds a license in Kerala to drive vehicles carrying hazardous goods with the fire and safety license. That makes this unassuming M.Com graduate from Thrissur special. Delicia is the second of the three daughters of Davis, a petrol tanker driver from Vadanpalli, Kandasamkadvu in Thrissur district. Davis has been driving petrol tanker lorries for the past 40 years. The passion for driving, which has right from a very young age, has enabled Delicia to be at the wheels of a petrol tanker at a very young age. Her father Davis used to take Delicia along on his trips even when she was a child. She grew up seeing her father maneuvering the vehicle. Her father himself first made Delicia sit at the wheels for the first time, that too when she was in her 8th grade.
ചെറുപ്പത്തിൽ തന്നെ കുറച്ച് വണ്ടി വരുമ്പോൾ വണ്ടിയിൽ കയറിയിരിക്കുക പിടിക്കുക ചെറുപ്പം മുതൽ തന്നെ ഉണ്ട്. ഞാനൊരു 40 വർഷമായി ടാങ്കർ മാത്രം ഓടിക്കുന്ന ഒരാളാണ്.
Delicia was crazy about driving from childhood. I have been driving tanker lorries for the past 40 years. Once, Delicia asked me whether she could drive the ambassador car that we had. In 3 or 4 days, she perfected her steering controls. However, then she was not old enough to apply for a driving license. On the very next day after her 18th birthday, she applied for a driving license. She had been driving for 2 years. After another year, she got her heavy vehicle license, followed by a fire and explosive certificate. Later, she got a pass from Hindustan Petroleum. Now, she regularly drives petrol tankers.
Support the pass വന്നു. അപ്പോൾ അത് 2 വർഷമായി ഒന്ന് ജില്ലാ വർഷമായിട്ട് ഓടിക്കൊണ്ടിരിക്കുന്ന റെഗുലർ ഓടിയുണ്ട്.
Delicia started by driving cars. Soon, she wanted to drive heavy vehicles. Thus, at 20 years, she secured the heavy vehicle license and the license to drive vehicles carrying hazardous goods.
My dad takes me along in the lorry during his trips for a long time. He used to take me along so that he won't fall asleep while driving on long journeys. That got me close to driving. I learned to drive in the ambassador car that we had at home. It has normal steering. Then it was Dad who said that I should learn to use power steering and that lorry is the better vehicle to learn that. With the power steering, we can maneuver the vehicle smoothly and with ease. Dad helped me learn the gear positions and the length of the vehicle. I realized that it is easier to drive a tanker lorry and I took the license. I have been driving with my dad for some time now.
Delicia's trip these days are from Irumbanam in Ernakulam to a petrol pump in Malappuram driving a petrol-laden tanker truck. Sometimes she also has to go petrol depot in Elathur in Kozhikode. Her next goal is to drive multi-axle vehicles. To drive huge multi-axle vehicles like Volvo, one has to get training from the Bangalore Training Center. The COVID transmission became severe when she was preparing to go for the training in Bangalore. 22 years old Delicia is also good in her studies, though she finds her happiness in driving. After completing her BCom graduation from Thrissur St. Thomas College, she pursued MCom from Thrissur PG Center. Though the course has been completed, the final year exams for MCOM is not yet over. Despite her educational qualification, Delicia wishes to join in the role of a driver with the government sector.
I have not looked at the income and financial gain aspect. Neither I have asked my father about it. Driving is a passion for me and I am crazy about this field. Presently, I drive the tanker lorry of a petrol pump owner in Tirur.
Delicia is a full-time petrol tanker driver now, letting her father get some rest these days. Bureau Report, ETV Bharat.
To watch 24/7 News Live, download ETV Bharat app.